Mild lucid dreaming is one of the easiest methods out there, and if you're a beginner with lucid dreaming, then this is the technique for you. It's the best way to kickstart your journey to becoming a lucid dream master. Before we get into today's video, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials, techniques, and more, so if you want to master your ability to lucid dream, hit that subscribe button. My end goal is to get you to lucid dream every single night, and if that sounds interesting to you, then turn on notifications so that you know whenever a new lucid dreaming tutorial comes out. My last video was about wild lucid dreaming, which is a more advanced technique and is hard to perform. Still, I received a lot of support and feedback from you guys, and I'm glad to hear that people actually like my videos. I wasn't expecting that much publicity on my first ever video, but I want to let everyone know that I'm super grateful for all the subscribers, and I'm going to live up to my promises by posting weekly tutorials on topics that you've all suggested. Since my channel is fairly small, I try to respond to every comment I get. A lot of you have asked me for a tutorial on mild lucid dreaming, so today, that's what we're gonna do. Mild lucid dreaming stands for mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. And what makes mild really cool is that it's super effective and is one of the easiest ways to induce a lucid dream, especially for beginners. All you need to do is repeat a phrase or a mantra in your head over and over as you are drifting off to sleep. For example, tonight I will have a lucid dream, or I am dreaming. By doing this, the phrase you choose will be planted into your subconscious and will greatly increase the probability of you having a lucid dream. If this works correctly, you will repeat the phrase to yourself in your dream, causing you to become instantly lucid. You can also pick phrases that help with other things, like dream recall. For example, you can repeat, "When I wake up, I will remember my dreams," over and over to yourself before falling asleep. Or you could prevent yourself from getting too excited in your dream when you become lucid and waking up by repeating the phrase, "I will remain calm when I discover that I am dreaming." It's important that whatever mantra you choose is simple and personal to you. Try experimenting with different ones until you find what works best. Or if you want, you can even make up your own. You can do mild when you go to sleep at your normal time, but if you wake up during the night, I strongly recommend trying mild before drifting off to sleep again, as the chances of it working are even better. The reason for this is that your brain is already in sleep mode, and it's a lot easier for your mantra to carry over into the dream world. Not only that, but you might enter directly into REM sleep if you woke up from a dream. The key to getting mild to work is that your phrase, whatever you choose, needs to be the last thing on your mind before falling asleep. It seems like an easy task, but when you actually start doing it, you'll find yourself forgetting to repeat the phrase as you get closer to sleep. Mild is one of the easiest lucid dreaming techniques, but just like any other technique, it does require a certain level of practice before you get really good at it. The great thing about mild is that there's a good chance of it working the very first night you try this, which means that yes, you could have a lucid dream tonight. Mild is a really simple way to improve your lucid dreaming skills and takes hardly any effort. However, if you want to achieve the best results, I recommend doing mild alongside other powerful lucid dreaming techniques, like keeping a dream journal and performing reality checks regularly. You can also do mild alongside wild or wake back to bed to increase your odds of having a lucid dream. If you want to learn about any of these things, subscribe to the channel, as I will be uploading tutorials on those topics very soon. I actually have a wild tutorial already out, and I will link it in the top corner of this video for you to watch. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two about the mild technique. It's a great method, and I used to do it every night when I started lucid dreaming myself. In fact, I still do it today alongside wild and other methods, which I will post more videos on in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.